Okay, so today's lesson is more or less the same as the previous one. The only difference is that the graphs are going to tend to infinity. So let's just review how to evaluate points from a graph. Let's begin with -4. So again, all of the inputs here are going to come from the x-axis. So let's look at -4. And -4 is right here, and we have our value right here at +3. So here f of -4 is +3. Let's go for the next one, -2. So at -2 we see that we don't go up, we don't go down, we stay here. So f of -2 is going to be 0. That's the y value. So let's take a look at the next one, f of 0 now. So 0 is going to be here at the origin, and at the origin you see that the y value is at -1. And then finally, +3. +3 is right here, and if we go to the graph, the y value is exactly here at -1. So those are all of the x values of this graph, well, the ones that they asked for. So let's try one more. So here we have to use the graph of p of x. So p of x is this yellow graph. Let's begin by evaluating -4. So we have to look for -4 on the x-axis, and we see that it's right there. So -4. Let me see which y value it hits. So here, f of -4 is going to be +3. F of -1, let's look for -1 is right there. So the value is going to be +2. And then finally f of +4. So we're going to look for +4 again on the x-axis, which is right there. So let's take a look to see which, well, again, this isn't to scale. So let's just say it's about 4.5. And that's it.